Hello friends, today we are launching a new product series from Smarteefi, which is a flat touch panel of 6 module size having 8 smart points and 1 smart fan. Till now our product range includes the modular switches which can be fitted to modular switch plates and you can create your own configurations. This is the first time we are launching a complete panel which can fit directly to your 6 modular surface box. So there is no configurations required, you can easily plug and play. Now let's open the box. You will find user guide, wiring diagram for this model which is FT81, thanks note, and it includes a Smarteefi technical support number on which you can contact in case you need any assistance. So there is a front panel and there is a back panel. So the back panel is a normal back panel of modular switch plates which fits to the modular boxes of size 6 modular. There are screws for the same. So this is a front panel. There is a protective cover which we suggest to remove after the installation is done. This is 6 modular in size, and as all Smarteefi products, it has a unique serial number and activation code on the back side. So this complete unit you can use for automation of up to 8 lights and 1 fan. So this back panel plate will fit directly to your modular box and the front panel plate will lock to the back panel plate. We will show everything to you in this demo videos. Now let's take a scenario where you have a 6M standard switch plate on a metal box. This is normally fitted to wall, but for this demonstration we have kept it on table so that we can show you clearly. So let's first install this switch board. Firstly, switch off the MCB for this board. Ensure there is no current on this board. Open the front panel with the help of a screwdriver. Unscrew the front board. Now slowly remove the back panel. You can see traditional way of wiring where there will be a live or phase which will be going through all the switches and there will be load points connected to the other point of the switches. Okay. Now this board may have or may not have neutral wire, but for the smart switch boards we need the neutral wire connection. So in case the neutral wire is not available on this board, we request you to contact your electrician and ask him to bring or pull the neutral wire from any nearby boards. So let's open all the connection. And now remove the live point also. And this board can be removed. Now we do have one live wire, one neutral wire and 6 load points. Now let's take the Smarteefi front touch panel and also its wiring diagram. So as you can see on this wiring diagram, there is a endpoint which is for neutral. So you can connect to the endpoint the neutral wire. There is a L point which is for live or phase. L1 point connects the P7 and P8. In case you do have inverter supply and want to keep 2 points on main and just on inverter, you can do that thing. In that case, L point will go the inverter supply and controls P1 to P6 and F1. And L1 supply, main supply, and control P7 and P8. So P1 to P8 are load points and F1 is the fan point. Let's do connection. Be careful not to start doing wire connection with the front panel directly. You need to fit the backplate to the modular box first. Ensure all the wires are coming out of it and screw the backplate properly to the modular box. So properly screw the back panel plate. Now let's just connect the live and neutral to this board. Firstly, we connect the neutral to the end point. So as you can see, we have just connected the live and neutral point to the board, and with just these 2 points the board will get power on, and we will switch on the mains to check whether the board is functional or not. Now we are doing the switch on the mains. So you can see the board gets power. So there are 2 lights in this. In off state there is a white light, and in on state there is a blue light. And the status LED is at the center, which is blinking green as of now. It means the Wi-Fi connection is not done. Now switch off the mains and connect all the other load points. As you can see, we have connected P1 to P6 points, L and neutral. Okay, once this is done, so this is very important step. So you have to just ensure the wires are there, and you can just slowly slide the push karo. So you will find the locks from all the sides. You can just simply press this. So there is no screw on that, it's just locked. So I can show you from the side that this has just fitted properly onto the back plate which we have installed. Okay. Now we just connected again the main with the power supply. You can see now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 switches are there. This is fan up speed 4 level. Okay, and to take to the settings mode, so you have to just long press any one button for 5 seconds. So the status LED which is blinking at the center will turn to blue. So this is a normal settings mode process, and after that you can proceed to the Wi-Fi configuration. Wi-Fi configuration are common as for all the Smarteefi products. You can check the links. Still you have any issues, please refer to the videos in the help tab of Smarteefi app or YouTube channel, and or you can always contact us for the support. Thank you. Okay, now we will see how to uninstall the board. Suppose you want to move the board to some other location, or there are some issue where you want to open the board and check it. So we will show you how to uninstall it. Firstly, cut off the power supply for this board. So ensure there is no power to this. And if you see, there will be two small latches on the both side of the switch plate. You insert the screw and slowly open all the locks. So you have to run the screwdriver all the 4 direction. So once that is removed, so all the 4 sides removed, you can slowly remove the panel. So if you see, complete panel along with the wires will come out. So if you have to remove the bolt, so you unscrew the things and just remove the panel. So back panel is fitted, so in case you have to remove the back panel also, you do it. Otherwise, this is only the front panel is the main unit which you can easily remove. And if you have to plug in again, so just simply insert the wires and just simply lock it again. So ensure all the locks from all the 4 sides are proper.